Celebrating Culture Through Coins. Sinulog Festival Commemorative Coin, BSP. The Philippines is known for its vibrant festivals, rich traditions, and deep cultural roots. This January, one of the most celebrated festivals takes center stage, not just in the streets but also in a unique form, a commemorative coin. Featured this month is the lively and colorful Sinulog Festival in Cebu, a celebration in honor of the Santo Niño. Sinulog is famous for its street dancing, rhythmic drum beats, and grand parades that attract both locals and tourists from around the world. To highlight this iconic festival, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas introduces the first release in its Pista sa Pilipinas Commemorative Coin series. This special collection features 12 silver coins, each representing a unique Filipino festival. Throughout 2026, one coin will be released every month, each aligned with the celebration of a featured festival. This initiative not only honors Filipino heritage, but also promotes tourism and cultural awareness across the nation. Each coin is carefully crafted from silver, making it not just a collectible item, but also a work of art. Collectors and enthusiasts alike will appreciate its intricate design and cultural significance. These commemorative coins are available at the BSP store for 5,000 pesos each, a meaningful keepsake that captures the spirit of Filipino festivals in a timeless form. From the streets of Cebu to the hands of collectors, the story of Sinulog lives on, celebrating tradition, preserving culture, one coin at a time. Pista sa Pilipinas Commemorative Coin Series, 2026, available at BSP Store. Thank you and enjoy your collection. Please subscribe on this channel, like and share this video. Thank you.